going to show you guys what inside my ref. It's a French doors or double doors. So here's my ref. My beautiful ref. So yeah. Ta-da! So I have here grapes, orange, yeah, salad na leftover pa kanina sa lunch, and then bread, hot dogs, cheese, eggs, and then I have some here slice of mango, soda, and yeah, yung mga ulam namin kanina. Hindi ko napapakita sa inyo. And then some mga vegetables and more orange. Yeah. And this side na dito, meron akong blue cheese, ketchup, yeah, ketchup, more ketchup, mayonnaise, apple juice, and this one is mango juice. Pag hindi ako nagbe-breakfast, lang yan ang iniinom ko. Yeah. And then, yeah, let's going to close this and let's see what's in my fridge. So, I have here mango again. Mahilig kasi ako sa mango, guys. Favorite ko siya. Mango ice cream, strawberry ice cream. Oh, may langka pang ice cream, oh. Then, hot dogs. Pinoy hot dogs. It's the best. French fries. Beef. Yung lutuin ng asawa ko yan. And then, dito sa baba, fish stick. Pag nag-snack ako, ito ang ini-snack ko. Meron pang corn, nuggets. And this one is para siyang dumplings. Masarap din siya. Longganisa, vegetable mix, and same and beachy burger. It's not. So that's it. What's inside my ref?